Infinix launched an ultra-thin phone with a huge battery for $200. We are discussing the latest Infinix Note Edge. Honestly, it's quite appealing because it measures just 7.2 millimeters in thickness and weighs only 185 grams. Now, we're not referring to a complete flagship model or anything of that sort. However, it is a device offered at a very competitive price, designed to compete in the ultra-thin segment. Impressively, it includes a large battery with a capacity of 6,500 milliampere hours. This tiny body. In order to accomplish this, Infinix reportedly used high-density cells, which allow for a significantly large battery to fit within a very slim design. However, it's not just about the battery. The device also features an impressive 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a high resolution, and a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, something that even other more expensive devices are not going to integrate. It also comes with the MediaTek Dimensity, 7,108 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM. This is an important data, and 256 gigabytes of storage, although in this case UFS 2.2. They also included JBL speakers, 45 watts charging, Gorilla Glass 7 eye screen protection, and IP65 certification. For its price range, it's a compelling option for budget-conscious buyers. Tell me, which brand do you think excels in the low to mid-range? It seems to me that Infinix and Tecno are attracting a lot of attention in this segment,